This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 94. Why pressure feels productive and why biology disagrees. Pressure creates sensation. Heart rate rises, focus narrows, energy mobilizes. Something is happening. And the mind interprets that sensation as productivity. But pressure is not productivity. It is activation. Activation feels like movement because the system is mobilizing to survive. Attention sharpens, noise drops, output increases. Short term, this works. Deadlines get met, tasks get finished, results appear. But biology pays later. Under pressure, learning decreases, precision narrows, recovery is postponed. The system is not building capacity, it is spending reserves. This is why pressure feels addictive. It creates intensity. Intensity feels meaningful. Meaning feels productive. But sustainable productivity is almost boring. Stable heart rate, wide attention, repeatable effort. No spike, no crash. Pressure compresses time. Regulation expands it. Pressure produces output. Regulation produces endurance. If you feel more productive under stress, that does not mean stress is optimal. It means your system learned to associate activation with value. True growth does not require alarm. It requires safety. Pressure creates motion. Safety creates capacity. Next episode. What real productivity looks like in a regulated system. Thank you.